Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 6th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 6th of February, 2025, our system has classified Apple as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 1.17. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will keep monitoring this assessment to observe how it develops in the coming days. The stock is currently moving within a broad and horizontal trend, indicating that further movements within this range can be anticipated. Analyzing the 3-month trend reveals a potential change of approximately 1.04% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return fluctuating between negative 3.32% and positive 12.73%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a significant change of around 42.43% over the next year, with a potential return ranging from 37.80% to 63.44%. This indicates a future price range of approximately $321.39 to $381.18 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple features the headline, Weaker Technical Forecast for Apple as Stock Downgraded to Sell Candidate. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 6th of February, 2025, Apple stock experienced an increase of approximately 0.323%, rising from $232.47 to $233.22. Throughout that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.46%, with a low of $230.43 and a high of $233.80. The stock has seen ups and downs during this period, resulting in a gain of 4.27% over the last 2 weeks. Trading volume also decreased by 10 million shares on the last day, with a total of 29 million shares being exchanged for about $6.74 billion. It's important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence, serving as a potential early warning for changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $260.09, while the lowest was $164.08. Currently, the price is 10.33%, or $26.87, below the 52-week high of $260.09, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Skyworks Solutions is encountering substantial challenges as it foresees a contraction in its business with Apple, predicting a decline in sales by 20 to 25%. This downturn is linked to increasing competition in the semiconductor market for components used in Apple's iPhone. The announcement has had an immediate adverse effect on Skyworks' stock, which fell by over 25% in pre-market trading, leading analysts to describe the situation as a nightmare realized. Furthermore, since Apple is a vital supplier for Skyworks, this reduction in business forecasts could have wider implications for Apple Inc., indicating possible volatility in its stock price. While Apple is regarded as a core holding by many investors despite recent setbacks, any disruption or decline in its supply chain, particularly from essential partners like Skyworks, can trigger short-term fluctuations in market confidence. Overall, although the long-term outlook for Apple remains favorable due to its strong brand and consumer loyalty, the immediate repercussions of its suppliers facing challenges could exert pressure on its stock in the short term, fostering cautious sentiment among investors. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 31st of January, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Apple Inc. a buy grade, accompanied by a hold action. On the same day, Morgan Stanley rated Apple Inc. as overweight with a hold action. Also on that day, KeyBank assigned Apple Inc. an underweight grade while recommending a hold action. Additionally, Maxim Group rated Apple Inc. as buy with an initialize action on the same date. Earlier, on Wednesday, the 29th of January, 2025, Oppenheimer gave Apple Inc. a perform grade with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Apple stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book value as a strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 21st of January, 2025, and so far it has risen 4.75%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume declined during the last trading day, despite price gains. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near short-term development. The Apple stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook for the stock. Furthermore, there is a general sell signal arising from the relationship between the two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. On upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $234.21 and $240.17. A breakout above any of these levels will trigger buy signals. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 13 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 13 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 22 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 20 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 4 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $232.87. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. The stock typically exhibits average movements throughout the day, and due to its favorable trading volume, the associated risk is considered medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $3.38, which is a change of 1.46%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.97%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. This is considered a relatively standard PE ratio, often found in companies with established track records or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 1st of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.61. Pay close attention to these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $236. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $232.87. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 1st of February, 2025, Susan Wagner executed an insider purchase of 1,516 shares of common stock. On the same day, Susan Wagner also conducted an insider sale of 1,516 shares of restricted stock unit. On the 1st of February, 2025, Ronald D. Sugar carried out an insider purchase of 1,516 shares of common stock. On that same day, Ronald D. Sugar performed an insider sale of 1,516 shares of restricted stock unit. On the 1st of February, 2025, Monica C. Lozano made an insider purchase of 1,516 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative. with a ratio of negative 26.301. In summary, insiders acquired 1,796,930 shares and disposed of 3,087,233 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently have a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop-loss order in place. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple exhibits several negative signals and is currently within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak over the upcoming days or weeks. As a result, our evaluation of this stock is negative. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical landscape, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold or accumulate to a sell candidate since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 7th of February, we expect Apple to open down approximately 73 cents and commence trading at $232.48. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please leave a comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.